65 inches 4K Google TV with Dolby Vision and Atmos for only 43,999. Whoa! Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be like super awesome because we have something interesting in the house. A lot of people keep looking to buy like super big size TVs, right? At a reasonable price of maybe around say 40 to 50,000 rupees. You people came to the right video. So as I've told you, we have a brand new TV in the house from Kodak, just launched recently in the Indian market. This is our all new CA Pro series and comes in like lots of sizes from 43 inches to all the way up to like 65 inches. And this is a super big 65-inch 4K Google TV, guys. It's got like crazy specs on board. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos support is also there. All smart features. On top of that, it's a Google TV, and that too comes at a reasonable price tag of around 43,999 rupees. So this is what we'll be checking out in the video. I'm like pretty excited, guys. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Kodak CA Pro series TV came in this sort of box packaging, massive packaging, and it was like really heavy. I couldn't do the unboxing alone, so called in my dad for some help. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. And as soon as you open it, in the package you also get an included wall mounting bracket for the TV. So this actually makes things quite convenient. Keeping that aside, you also have a couple of accessories. Like this is your TV remote, guys. It's a smart remote. You're also having like microphone on board for Google Voice Assistant. You also get a 3.5mm to RCA cable, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. These are your TV stands, very premium look and feel. They actually have a rose gold finish and entirely made of metal, guys. Very good build quality, I can say. So that's it. These are all the accessories. Now let's finally check out the TV we've been waiting for. Kodak's all new CA Pro 2023 lineup, 65-inch 4K HDR10 Plus TV. Oh my god, TV is like super big and heavy. I'm like very excited to power it on and check out the performance, guys. Anyways, let me just peel off all these wrappers, stickers and everything and give you like a closer look how it looks like. And there you go, here's how our brand new Kodak TV looks from the front side. It's got like a nice rose gold accents everywhere. Definitely looks like a premium model from the brand. So anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the TV, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. Our TV is all set up and I've been using this for the last couple of days, and there are so many points I'll have to talk about, especially if you're like planning to buy this model, right? Make sure to watch this video till the end and don't skip any part. First of all, let me tell you about the design and the build quality part. The model we'll be checking out today is their all new CA Pro series. So in this series now you get like all different sizes from 43 inches to all the way up to 65 inches. The one we have today in the house is their all new 65-inch edition. Now look at the design, guys. Initial impressions, TV looks quite premium for this price point. It's got a 3-sided bezel-less design and definitely looks attractive from our initial impressions. On the bottom you do have a bit of chin, but again that is also like in a premium metal sort of build quality. You're getting full rose gold sort of finish in a textured pattern with a small Kodak logo at the center, and just below the logo you have a tiny status LED indicator followed by a power button as well. Look at the stands as well. Stands are also like quite classy, full metal stands, that too finished in the same rose gold color scheme. If you look at the side profile as well, TV is definitely a bit slimmer. It's not the slimmest looking TV, but again for this price point you cannot complain much. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the back of the TV and show you all the connectivity ports as well available on this model. Here's how the back of the TV looks like. It has a very minimalistic design, and I have to say build quality of the TV is very good. It's like a mix between metal and plastic, but has like 70% area covered in metal, guys. Now having a closer look, on the left side you have a mains cord port, and on the other side of the TV is where you have all the connectivity ports. They're also placed at a convenient position so you can easily access them even if you wall mount your TV. At the top you have a AV in port followed by an antenna in, and you have 2 USB ports to connect some storage drives, maybe something like your pen drive or things like that. Below that you have 3 HDMI ports and only one of them supports ARC, and you also have like an optical out as well, and an Ethernet LAN port is also available. Now moving on, let's talk about the software, built-in apps and features. Now all the TVs in Kodak CA Pro series are Google TVs, guys. You're getting like Google TV OS on board, so basically you're getting like all Android apps available, guys. Google Play Store is available. You can download so many apps and features, and basically the whole UI, everything is like very similar. You might have already seen like plenty of other TVs, right? So the whole UI, everything is like quite similar. On the home screen you are having lots of categories at the top. For you section is there, movies section is there, and apps section is also available, plus your own library. And to the right corner you can check out a search bar function and a general settings for the TV. And the content on your home screen keeps changing as per your recommendations and interests, once you log in with your Google account. Now if you talk about the performance, well, TV is equipped with like MediaTek's quad-core CPU. You're getting 2 gigs of RAM and 16 GB of on-board storage, and overall performance of the TV is like pretty decent, guys. Like the whole navigation on the UI, opening and closing of apps felt pretty smooth so far. I didn't face any sorts of lags or hiccups also, and offered like a seamless and satisfactory experience, guys, especially for this price point. So what I'll do is I'll quickly head over to the settings and show you all the available, TV picture settings, sound settings, and all of that. So coming to the picture settings, you're having plenty of picture settings available. A couple of picture modes are also there, like standard, vivid, echo mode, and you can adjust plenty of picture settings. You can adjust the brightness, backlighting, contrast, saturation. Plenty of options are available. Now going to the audio section as well, you're getting plenty of options over here. Not to forget, TV also supports like Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, right? You can fully configure the speaker setup from this section over here. We'll definitely come to the audio and talk about the speakers at a later part in the video. And apart from that, you might have a question regarding the Wi-Fi settings, right? Yes, this particular model does support dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, both dual band Wi-Fi support is there. And let me also quickly show you the storage available on this particular model. As I've told you, now you're getting like 16 GB storage on board, and out of the box I think you're getting around like 10 or 11 gigs of storage available. There you go, you're having around like 11 GB of free space. So even if you download like a couple of apps or games, now nothing to worry about, it'll get your job done. So that was about the software, built-in apps and features. Let me just quickly open up YouTube, play some videos, have a look at them, and then we'll talk about the picture and the audio quality. Today's video is going to be very interesting. A lot of people keep looking to buy like affordable category laptops under 25,000 rupees, right? Maybe you just joined college and you're looking for a budget laptop for your coding, programming, education purpose, or for your basic home needs or office needs also. You people came to the right. So you guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, if you'd ask me, I've been using this TV for the last couple of days, and picture quality over here was actually impressive for this price point. First of all, keep in mind that it's an affordable category, 65 inches 4K TV. You're getting this for only 43,999. That itself is great. Anyways, if you talk about the picture quality, good amount of detail, guys. 4K resolution at 65 inches. No matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like YouTube videos, web series, or even like movies on Netflix, now there was good amount of detail, great clarity, I would say. And coming to the colors, keep in mind it's got like IPS panel on board, and good thing is it actually features like a 10-bit panel that is capable of producing around 1 billion color range. So because of that, now the color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were like on point. It was producing like beautiful and rich colors, and initially I was not expecting that, guys, for this price point. Now coming to the contrast levels, good contrast levels, I would say. Black levels are also decent for this price point. Not QLED or OLED level performance, but hey, it's like an affordable category TV. For this price point, you can't complain much, guys. So keep that point in mind. Viewing angles are also like very good thanks to that IPS panel. Picture look the same no matter from which angle you were viewing. Now if you talk about the brightness, TV is capable of producing around like 500 nits of brightness and is like plenty sufficient for home purpose. Even if you're using it in your living room also, nothing to worry about. It'll easily get your job done. See, on the overall, no matter what sort of content you're viewing, either it be standard definition or even like HDR content also, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the performance of this TV. And coming to the HDR performance, TV also supports like Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HLG, all of these format support is there. So you'll have like a great time watching, movies in HDR on Netflix or Prime Video on this TV. Anyways, moving on and talking about the audio quality part, you're getting like stereo speakers on board, guys. Two speaker drivers are there that are capable of producing around like 40 watts of output, and it even supports Dolby Atmos also. And audio quality was like pretty decent for this price point. So it was producing like crisp and clear sound. All the dialogues were like clear and audible, though bass was not there that much because it's not like a dedicated sound bar or something, right? But okay, for this price point, it was doing a good job. And good thing is audio output is also like pretty loud and satisfactory, guys. See, if you're a guy who's tight on a budget and you're not interested in buying like a separate soundbar, onboard speakers will definitely get your job done. But again, if you're like a pro level guy, you want like 5.1 experience, separate AV receiver should be there, then you might have to go for some external solution. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Wait a second, I haven't shown you the remote control, right? This is how the TV's remote looks like. Slim profile, decent and minimalistic looks. You have like all the necessary buttons available over here. Google Voice Assistant is also available. Shortcuts to all your OTT apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, all of these are available. And overall build quality was also pretty decent. You just need to install like two AAA batteries and that's it. You're all set, good to go. And yes, you're also getting like Voice Assistant as well. There's a dedicated microphone on the remote. You just need to press this button, ask your question, and TV will give you your answer on the screen. Well, that's it, our video on Kodak's all-new CA Pro Series 65 inches 4K Google TV 2023. It's a good TV for the price point. You're getting premium look and feel, great picture quality, all smart features are there, Play Store support, and basically, as I've told you guys, covers all your needs. It costs around 43,999 rupees. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to check out this product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.